Hey everyone, let's talk about money, specifically the things about your money that the banks hope you never figure out. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 7 money secrets banks don't want you to know. Secrets that keep them profitable and, if you're not careful, keep you from building real wealth. Stick around. Have you ever felt like your finances are just running in place? You're working hard, you're putting money in the bank, but you're not really getting anywhere. That's because your money isn't sitting safely in a vault. It's stuck in a maze. A confusing, complicated maze where the rules seem designed to keep you lost. That feeling, it's not in your head. And here's the hard truth, that maze. It's not an accident. It's not a flaw in the system. It's the system. It's a business model. How profitable is it? Well, just last year, the biggest banks in America made over $15 billion, and that was just from overdraft fees. That's not from smart investing, that's from people stumbling in the maze. But here's the good news, every maze has a map. And once you have it, you can navigate it, you can escape it, and you can even start to beat it at its own game. The next 7 points are your map. Consider this your guide to the hidden logic and the real rules of the personal finance game that's being played with your money. Secrets 1 and 2 expose the truth about free. First, that free checking account. It's not free, it's paid for by trapdoors like sky-high overdraft fees and by paying you next to nothing on your balance. Second, your standard savings account is secretly losing your money. Why? Because the tiny bit of interest it earns almost never beats inflation. So your money's purchasing power is slowly melting away, while the bank uses it to make more money for themselves. Secrets 3 and 4 show us the engine of their system. Secret 3, banks profit most when you're in debt. The entire system is designed to keep you in a cycle of minimum payments, ensuring a steady flow of interest from you to them. Secret 4 is a big one, your credit score. To you, it's a grade of your responsibility. To them, it's a profitability report card. A high score doesn't just mean you're reliable, it means you're a reliable, long-term source of interest payments. They love a customer with great credit and a large, revolving debt balance. Secrets 5 and 6 are the traps they set. Overdraft protection is a classic. It sounds like a safety net, but it's actually one of the most expensive loans you'll ever get, and it's triggered automatically. It's designed to be used. And bank loyalty, it's a one-way street. While you're staying loyal, they're offering their best savings rates, cash bonuses, and low loan offers almost exclusively to new customers. Your loyalty is being taken for granted. Finally, Secret 7, the most powerful force in finance. It's not a secret product or a special stock. It's compound growth. And here's the key, the money they're using to make billions. It's not their money, it's your money. They take your deposits, use the power of compound growth to multiply it, and keep most of the profits. But this force isn't exclusive to them. Once you understand it, you can start putting it to work for your future, not just theirs. So, what now? You don't have to play the game by the confusing rules anymore. Knowledge is power. Understanding these secrets is your crucial first step. But the real change happens with the second step, taking action. It's time to move your money, rethink your debt, and start using the rules to your advantage. Remember this, the power was never really in their vaults. It was always with the person who earned the money, saves the money, and invests the money. That's you. The power to build your own financial future is finally, truly, in your hands. Thanks for watching. Now go use it.